Somebody probably looking up there wondering, like, what is this going? I live in an all-white community. They're friendly though. I haven't had any issues out here. What's up, y'all? So, as y'all can see, I have taken the passenger seat out. I'm gonna go ahead and list it on Facebook Market so I can go ahead and get my race bucket seats in. But as of right now, I'm gonna leave this side empty so it can give me more room to work on. I still gotta figure out and trace wires to see what everything goes to and what I can label them as. But as of right now, I don't need anything but my headlights and my tail lights. There is a lot of stuff that I still have to get rid of just to, to sell and put money back in my pocket so I can buy more parts. But all of this extra stuff is kind of like trash. I don't know if I'm gonna pull this carpet up or not, but I don't plan on doing anything else to the side of the car if it does not involve the wires. Moving on this side of the car, I'm not going to take this seat out as of right now because I don't want to limit my space inside of the garage. I'm running out of space, so I'm gonna keep this seat in. I did reinstall everything back, like I said in my previous video. It wasn't sure if I was going to record, which I didn't. So everything is back to regular. I'm not using this neither, so go ahead and list this up for sale because I'm gonna have a screen that goes right here, that mounts up right here for the gauges as far as the temps and RPM for right now. And then I think that'd be it once I get all these wires and stuff figured out. But since I'm not using a dash, I'm not using the center console, I'm not using the evaporator cord that I took out, the seats, everything is pretty much going to be listed on Facebook Market and probably on my social media platforms as far as like TikTok and Instagram. If you do need any parts while it is still here, just let me know and then I can go ahead and toss you a number for them. But other than that, everything is kind of, getting tossed. So go ahead and show you all what I'm working on out here. So all of this stuff that I've taken out, like most of this stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and put on Marketplace. The seats is still being posted. This core piece that I told you for the evap system, and then the dash is right here that I'm gonna go ahead and post. There is a little slight damage from where the airbag came out at, but everything else is pretty smooth. But yeah, that's it from the outside of the car. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this garage up a little bit so I can, get some more space. But yeah, so while I do have y'all on here, I guess y'all can see me clean up because it is getting messy in here since I haven't been running everything to the trash can. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten some of this stuff. I should have brought a mask because there's some stuff coming off of that. But pretty much everything right here is going in the dumpster. This is the footwell. That can just sit right there for right now. These side trims that can go in the trash. I can go ahead and post this up on Facebook along with the dash. I can go ahead and post that. These are the side panels, which I leave right now. I don't need that. That can go in the trash. Gear ducts go in the trash. Do-rag, trash. But I hate cleaning up. Airbags actually, I can go ahead and place over here with the rest of the non-important and important stuff. This is trash. That's trash. That's trash. windshield wipers. May can use these, not on my car, but still. These lines goes to the power steering. I'm gonna put these to the side. Intake manifold. I'll go ahead and place this on top of the car. These are the back seat belts. I don't need, but somebody probably will need them. Trim for the dash. I don't need it because I'm not running a dash. Finally, parts. I need to take a picture of, but all of that is trash. Bro, I'm starving right now. Somebody probably looking up there wondering, like, what is this doing? I live in an all-white community. I haven't had any issues out here. I'm in Williamsburg, Virginia, down here with all the Trump supporters, you know. But I don't have a problem as long as they don't have a problem. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I don't think I'm doing anything else. We gotta document every single thing, and every day we have to document. So that's another reason. Just recreate moments. That's what it's all about. So y'all have any suggestions that y'all may have when y'all builds, or you know, anything that y'all want to see, just drop it down in the comments. I'll be sure to just take them in consideration. Take them into consideration, and yeah. So like I said, appreciate y'all for watching. We're gonna be back with another video. I don't know when, but you'll see. So pieces.